Hello everybody and welcome to Friday Fabric Finds for the week of May 15th, 2026. I'm Clint, I am Kit and Bundle Manager.
And I'm Justin, I'm a photographer and product editor.
So without any further ado, let's get started.
The first collection we've got today is a very adorable collection. I mean, just look at that very cute kitten right there in the picture. This collection is called A Cat Named Stitch from Moda. This is featuring mini charm packs, layer cakes, jelly rolls, fat quarter bundles, quilt kits, and the full yardage in patterns of kittens, florals, hexagons, stripes, dots, and paisleys, and colors of blue, green, red, pink, gray, and cream. So if you think this collection is cute, make a perfect project with a cat named Stitch.
Next collection we're going to talk about today is a very vibrant, colorful collection. It is Trinketry from Ruby Star Society. For this collection, we've got layer cakes, we've got fat quarter bundles, we have irony quilt kits that have some irons on them, as well as assorted yardage. The patterns on this one are going to be matches, retro pins, spools, and cherry friends in colors of pink, turquoise, green, yellow, and orange. So if you like fabric that pops and looks bright and colorful, iron out your next quilt with Trinketry.
Next bundle we have, this is Red River Homestead FWFS exclusive fat quarter bundle. This is an 8-piece bundle inspired by an old farmhouse tucked along the Red River. This bundle blends vintage reds, soft greens, weather neutrals, and playful country prints. It feels warm, nostalgic, and full of charm. So make sure to harvest our Red River Homestead Fat Quarter Bundle before it wanders off the homestead.
All right, coming at you next is Christmas Tales from Clothworks. With this collection, we've got panels as well as assorted yardage. The patterns on this one are going to be ornaments, words, snowflakes, and plaid in colors of green, red, cream, and black. So celebrate the holidays with your furry friends using Christmas Tales.
Next we have a hauntingly fun collection from Riley Blake called Spooky. This is featuring patterns, fat quarter bundles, 5-inch stackers, and the assorted yardage in patterns of cats, witches, ghosts, pumpkins, stars, florals, words, stripes, and dots in colors of orange, green, rust, gray, black, and white. So if this collection is cute to you, make sure to haunt your sewing room with Spooky.
So the next thing I want to talk to you about is something that is quite close to my heart. It's National Parks from Riley Blake. They, in the past, have done several different, very famous, very beautiful national parks, and we have a new assortment of national park panels that they've done. These are assorted 36-inch panels, and it looks like this time the national parks that we got are Congaree, Biscayne, Glacier, which I will tell you is the most beautiful place on this planet, Yosemite, Isle Royale, Hawaii Volcanoes, Redwood, Mount Rainier, Shenandoah, Big Bend, and Glacier Bay up in Alaska. So if you've been to any of those, if you've got fond memories of them and you would like to immortalize that into any of your projects, journey through these iconic destinations with national parks.
Second to last thing we've got to talk about is the 108-inch backings 3-yard cuts. We added a whole new batch of 108-inch wide backings in 3-yard cuts. They are perfect for finishing quilts without the extra math. Even better, you'll save 10% compared to the regular per yard price when you grab these pre-cuts. So make sure to back your projects with our 108-inch backing 3-yard cuts.
Now, as always, it is time for Comment of the Week. As you may know, we like to pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's episode. And this week, we do have several, so let's get to it. So the first comment we want to mention, and I do apologize if I'm butchering this screen name, comes from J. Rose Almendrasi T88, who says, "Fantastic, great work." Well, thank you. We absolutely love doing these videos, and we absolutely love hearing positive feedback. So we hope you have a wonderful week, and thank you for the comment.
Next up, we've got Sun Jamader 9171. Once again, apologies if I'm mispronouncing your screen name.
I'll tell you right now, that's Sonia.
Sonia. Sonia Mater 9171, who says, "You guys are hilarious. I enjoy seeing all the fabrics you feature each week. Have a great weekend." Thank you so much for the kind words like Clint said. We very much love hearing positive feedback from you guys, and we hope you have a great rest of your weekend.
Next comment we want to highlight today comes from Barbara H2281, who says, "Good morning. Thanks for another fabric showing. I really like the bandana and barnwood fat quarter bundles." I like those too. Fort Worth Fabric Studio curated bundles are always done well. I noticed Clint with the FWFS shirt on. My FWFS shirt is getting a little faded and beat up. May have to get a new one soon. Only wish they came in other colors, maybe gray, blue, or olive green, or even pink. And Mitchell, I'm sure you had an FWFS shirt on under your hoodie. Thanks guys for another fun video. Have a great weekend. Well, I honestly don't remember what Mitchell had on under his hoodie, but it's a safe assumption. I think all of us here do have a couple of them. I have one that is very beat up as well.
Mine has holes in it.
I would like to get these shirts in a few other colors, but I won't lie. We do have one in black, and then the tie-dyed ones that we have are my favorite. And that one you get, a little bit of every color.
But I definitely like the idea of doing those in other colors if that's a possibility.
Yes, olive green is
definitely.
One of my
We'll
favorite
pitch that
colors to
idea.
wear.
Yeah, we'll pitch that idea, especially the colors that you want, Barbara.
As far as the Fort Worth Fabric Studio curated bundles, we appreciate that comment because it is definitely one of us going out there and deciding what fabrics go into it. So it makes us feel even better to find out that people like not just the products that we put together and how we go about our jobs, but also that our creativity is appreciated as well. So thank you very much for that comment, and we hope you have a wonderful week.
Last but certainly not least is Margaret Lavinia 4634, who says, "Thanks for sharing so many cowboy cowgirl items. Clint, I have no desire to look for Bigfoot."
It'd be fun.
In the newspaper, they showed some castings and they made of his footprints. Interesting. I'll stick with florals like maybe berry and sage. Have a good week. I always look forward to your Friday videos. Well, Margaret, thanks so much, as always, for leaving comments. You know what? I definitely very much love that berry and sage collection. I hope it never leaves. Unfortunately, it's almost gone. I know the box cool kit that's in the shape of a strawberry. We only got one left, and I'm sad to see it go eventually because someone is eventually going to buy that last one. But nonetheless, I very much love that group. I know you love that group too.
I might be the one to buy that last kit. You don't know. You might have to beat me to it.
Nonetheless, once again, thank you so much, Margaret, for always leaving comments, and we hope you have a great rest of your weekend too. And with all that being said, thank you so much for watching another episode of Friday Fabric Fridays. Why did I say it like that? Very vampire-y. If you enjoyed, leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified every single time we upload, and make sure to leave a comment. You probably will be featured for Comment of the Week next week, and make sure to follow us on social media. Those links will be down in the description below, and we will see you next week for another episode. Thank you.